Hey guys, it's Trista. I wanted to show you a mashup of two of my favorite crafts right now. Lantern tile Christmas ornaments and diamond dots, or diamond painting, sometimes it's known as. The gray one, the silver one is a little bit harder to do than this red one right here, so I'm going to spend more time telling you about that. First things first, you need to get these just ceramic tiles. You can get them from any home improvement store, Home Depot or Lowe's. These are a medium size, they're about 3 inches across. For the silver one, I actually sprayed these with Rust-Oleum's glitter spray in silver. These tiles take to the spray, whether it's spray painting the red, that was a Krylon, or this Rust-Oleum glitter one, they take to it really, really well. Now, I will say with the glitter, you want to go a couple of coats. You don't need to with the red, the Krylon, but just because it's almost like a thick paste you're putting on there, you definitely want to do a couple of coats to let it dry and come back. Once you're done with that, again, with the glitter one, it's rough like glitter. So in order for the diamond dots to stick to it, I put a coat of Mod Podge on first. Then after that dried, I went ahead and put on the diamond painting glue, the dot stick. And I think I got this from Joann's. So it looks just like the Mod Podge, but it's really sticky when it dries, but you can't let it dry out. So anyway, once it turns clear, then you can go ahead and start placing your little diamonds onto the tile ornament. So normally when you're doing diamond painting, you have a pattern underneath that you can follow. So this was sort of freehand. So this was a complete and total experiment that I did to try and keep it easy. I just did like rows. So as you can see here, I just started from the bottom with one color, I started from the top and then I went to the bottom with one color and I did the same number of rows. Then I did my next color. And I just happen to have blues and grays, so that's why this one turned out that way. So I did four rows of the black, and then I went back and did 3 rows of the gray, and then 3 rows of this sort of periwinkle, I guess you'd call it. And then I just decided I liked it that way. I tried putting a sticker in the middle and wasn't thrilled with that. So I wanted those diamonds to stick really well, so I covered it all with Mod Podge again, and as you can see, they turned out great. For this Santa one, I'm going to pause here for a minute. For the Santa one, all I did was put some painter's tape down and put the glue down, and it actually bled under the painter's tape, and it didn't matter anyway after you Mod Podge on top, so don't bother going to any extra effort there. Okay, hope you enjoyed. Be sure and subscribe so you can catch all of my videos on lantern tiles and so much more.